Hi lovely people, welcome to Sandra's Baking Ideas. Today I'm gonna show you how to bake an apple cake with stracciatella cream. But before we start, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. So let's go! This is my apple cake with stracciatella cream. You'll find the recipe in the description box below the video. Bye!